Hey there Virgos, welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. This is your July month reading regarding your money, career and finances, and this is a general reading. It may resonate you or may not. Please take what resonates you and leave the rest. Let's start your reading. Let's see what's coming up for you in money, career and finances. Five of Pentacles, first card. Next card is Four of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles. Four of Cups, Five of Pentacles, Four of Cups, and Queen of Pentacles, Nine of Wands, and Empress. Okay. Underneath the deck, you are having Six of Wands. So, let's start your reading, Virgos. Here, you are getting some kind of recognition. You got new position in your workplace, or if you are doing business, you got some recognition in your work and in your business. It's a painful cycle. Maybe you are going through some bad times regarding your money, career, and finances. Gods of Five of Pentacles, so you are lacking in finances this time, and it is giving you pain. So you are in a pain because of lacking or lack of finances. So it's like that you are facing some kind of difficulty regarding finances, or whatever job you have done, you are doing in this month. um, it's not giving you enough money or enough finances for yourself, for your whatever work you have done. The money is not enough for that work. So that's why maybe it's a salary problem is going on for you. Maybe it's like that you have started a new job, and your salary situation is not the desired situation which you were wanted before, or you were wanted, or you for yourself. So it's like that you are getting some kind of recognition in your workplace, but you are not interested. Here is it's like that you are in a authoritative figure, like in a manager post, or in a some other VIP kind of position you are getting in your workplace, but and you are enjoying also the position, but the salary is not in your on your desire, or whatever you are earning from your work. It's not enough for yourself, or it's not the figure which you were desired, or which you were expecting from this work. So you are not you are getting bored, and you are getting very much sad about this condition and situation. So you are it's like that you are not interested anymore in this position to work for, or you are not interested in this salary, or it's like that you have applied somewhere, or you had applied somewhere, and they are giving you some position. It's like that you have started some new job, but what salary scale they are paying you, what salary is they are paying you is not of your demanding figure. So whatever you have demanded for from them, they are not giving you that salary. It's like that. So but you are on a, or whatever they are offering you regarding salary, you are not interested in this. So it's like that but it's a very much good position. You want yourself on this position, or you are trying to get another chance from your previous job. You are in a contact with your previous authoritative figure, and you are trying to get that position again, what you were having before. So maybe it's a salary issue you are having in this month of July, or it's like that they are offering you one position which is looking good from the front, like um, it's a position, it's a high position in your workplace, like manager post or whatever other positions are. So but regarding salary, in case of salary, this is not good. So you know what is going on with your situation, in what is going on with your position, but people admiring you and seeing you with a like people seeing you as they, you got what very big thing in your workplace, but thing whatever position is good but the salary is not good. It's like that. So maybe you will try to get your previous job again, and you are in a contact with your authoritative figures like that, or you are getting the second chance in this position, or you will have meeting from with your authoritative figure regarding this money and salary situation. You will take another chance to talk to your authoritative figure to get the desired salary also. Your position is desired position, but your salary is not desired, or your on your or whatever you have demand from them. So you will take another chance to increase in your salary, or increase your position, increase your recognition, whatever it is. So it will be good for you. If you stay in this position, you will get the desired salary also, or whatever you want. So it will be good for you, Virgo. So that was your reading for the month of July. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in a comment below, like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.